Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Let's see the next name reaction, that is Boger pyridine synthesis. Let's see the statement. According to the statement, 1,2,4 triazines combines with enamines to produce pyridine derivatives. See, triazine. Azine means nitrogen containing compound or not. One nitrogen is present mean we can say aza. So triaza means how many nitrogens should be present? 3 nitrogens should be present. What are the positions of the nitrogens? 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 4 triazines are going to treated with enamines to produce pyridine derivatives. Already we know that preparation of enamines. So how can we prepare the enamines? By the combination of carbonyl compound and secondary amines. Whenever the carbonyl compounds treated with the secondary amines produces enamines. The enamines combines with triazines to form pyridine derivatives. Okay. This is an example of hetero-Diels-Alder reaction. Already we know that Diels-Alder reaction. Diels-Alder reaction produces cyclic adducts or not? In this way. It is very simple reaction or not? Diene combined with enophile to form a cyclic adduct. This is an example of hetero-Diels-Alder reaction. Hetero means if you see this moiety, all are the carbon atoms or not. So among the carbon atoms, if you replace one of the carbon with the nitrogen, that will become hetero-Diels-Alder reaction. So in this case, what is happening? Whatever the diene we are taking here at this position, what we are doing, the carbon is replaced with nitrogen. Thereby what happens? Here one of the nitrogen will be added. Okay, let's see the example. Here it is a ketone. Ketone is treating 1, 2, 4 triazine. See this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. The position of nitrogen atoms 1, 2, 4. 3 nitrogen atoms are there. Triazine. Okay, pi bonds are there, na? That's why ene. Okay. It is treating with pyrrolidine. Pyrrolidine is a secondary amine. If you see this particular equation, we are not getting this one. 1, 2, 4 triazine plus enamines gives pyridine derivatives. We are getting 1, 2, 4 triazines treated with carbonyl compound plus secondary amine. That means indirectly we are producing enamines. Okay. So initially what will happen? The pyrrolidine secondary amine treated with the ketone to produce a enamine. Thereby enamine reacts with triazine to form the corresponding pyridine derivative. Okay. Let's see the mechanism. In the mechanism, what is happening? Initially, the secondary amine is treating with the carbonyl group. Already we know that in the carbonyl group, the carbon is electron deficient or not? Why? Because oxygen is more electronegative. That's why these bibonding electrons move towards the oxygen. Here, the positive center generation takes place or not? That's why nitrogen donates its lone pair of electrons to the carbon. When the nitrogen is donating its lone pair electron, means nitrogen will take positive charge or not. In order to neutralize that positive charge, what is happening? The NH bonding electrons move towards the nitrogen. So hydrogen is removed in the form of H+. The H+ is approaches towards the oxygen. So oxygen and hydrogen form a OH bond. In the latter step, what is happening? The H and OH removed in the form of H2O and produces pi bond. That's why, see this, pi bond means ene. Connected to nitrogen or not? So ene plus amine, commonly called as enamine. So in this enamine, the pi bond is acting as enophile. Enophile means this one. Simple C double bond C. In the enamine portion, the pi bond is acting as enophile. Now we need what? Diene or not? In the diene, the carbon is going to replace it with nitrogen. Let's see. Here is the 1,2,4 triazine. In this 1,2,4 triazine, what we are observing, whatever this portion is there, this is similar to diene or not? Pi bond, single bond, pi bond. Here the carbon is replaced with nitrogen or not? Then this diene is treated with this pi bond, that is enophile, involving in the Diels-Alder reaction. Thereby what happens? We will come up with a cyclic compound or not? So this one connected to this bond, this one connected to this bond, the pi bonds will be converted into single bonds and the single bond will be converted into pi bond. The same thing happens. See this connection, pi bond, and to this connectivity we are having n triple double bond n or not? That n double bond n is there. Now what happens? The decomposition of the molecule takes place, thereby the removal of nitrogen will be observed. If you see this one, what is happening? These pi bonding electrons forming a triple bond between the nitrogens, thereby these single bonding forming a pi bond between carbon and nitrogen. This pi bonding is moving towards this one. Thereby here is a pi bond, here is a pi bond, N2 will be removed. So pi bond, N2 will be removed. In the final step, what is happening? The hydrogen and N is forming a pi bond between this one. The N minus will take H plus, thereby pyridine will be removed to produce the corresponding pyridine derivatives. In this way, what we are observing, simply to this carbonyl group we have attached pyridine. Okay, so in this way we can convert 1,2,4 triazines to pyridine derivatives by using the enamines. Let us see some of the applications. Simply what we are observing, whatever the azine moiety is there, 1,2,4 triazine moiety is there, from that triazine moiety we are removing which molecule? N2 molecule. Just keep this one in your mind. So simply see this. For your convenience, I have written in this way. So this N2 will be removed. In this place we need to attach C double bond C. Simply. Here see this, it is a amine or not? Enamine or not? En plus amine, enamine. So this pi bond simply replaces the N double bond N. Thereby we will come up with this kind of moiety. Okay. Next. In the next example, see, it is a carbonyl group ketone. Ketone is treating with secondary amine, pyridine. These two will produce a enamine or not? See, nitrogen donating lone pairs to the carbon and oxygen will take the minus charge. Here it is the hydrogen removed in the form of H plus to neutralize the nitrogen charge. That's why the H plus move towards O minus. OH is there, then to form the pi bond, H2O will be removed, thereby pi bond connected to nitrogen. So En plus amine, this is enamine. En plus amine, enamine. The enamine is treated with the triazine moiety, this moiety. This is involving in the what? Diels-Alder reaction. In the Diels-Alder reaction, what we are observing? This kind of situation. Formation of the cyclic adduct and decomposition of the nitrogen will take place. So thereby, simply what we need to do, whatever this N double bond N is there, that need to be connected to this pi bond. C double bond C, C double bond C is there and it is attached here. Okay. So in this way, we will synthesize different kinds of the pyridine derivatives from the 1,2,4 triazines and enamines. Okay. Thank you very much.